Cruising the Bosphorus in the evening is one of Istanbul's most magical experiences. As the city lights begin to sparkle against the dusk sky, you can choose between a simple, relaxing tour or a more elaborate dinner cruise with entertainment. We opted for the straightforward evening ferry tour, no dinner or dancers, because we didn't want to miss any of the major sights, and it offered a pure and unhurried way to take in the Bosphorus. There are numerous starting points along the Bosphorus depending on which tour company you book with. Many offer departures from areas such as Eminönü, Kabataş, Karaköy, Beşiktaş and Ortaköy. Visitors can book in advance through a specific operator or simply walk along the waterfront and join the nearest pier, offering a departure that suits their schedule. During the evening cruise, you'll see many of the Bosphorus' most iconic landmarks. First up is the Dolmabahçe Palace, its ornate facade glowing in the golden light. You'll pass beneath the Bosphorus Bridge, a symbol of Istanbul's blend of old and new, connecting Europe and Asia. On the European shore, you'll spot the elegant Rumeli Fortress, beautifully illuminated at night. Further along, the majestic Ortaköy Mosque stands out with its dramatic architecture against the water. On the Asian side, you'll cruise past Beylerbeyi Palace and catch views of the Küçüksu Pavilion, along with several grand Ottoman-era mansions lining the shoreline. Finally, as the night deepens, the fairytale Maiden's Tower, or Kız Kulesi, appears in the distance, softly lit and floating gracefully on its islet. These simpler sightseeing tours typically include live commentary, giving you historical and architectural context for everything you pass. Many companies run evening cruises throughout the night, including shorter 1-hour loops and longer 2 to 3 hour experiences. For those looking for something more indulgent, dinner cruises including a full meal, music, traditional folk dancing, belly dancers and even whirling dervish shows. These offer a lively night out on the water whilst still showcasing Istanbul's illuminated landmarks.
The thickness of the walls is 5 meters on the west side and 3 meters on the south. There are 4 red doors. The gate of the mountain, the gate of Nitar, the gate of Hizalpet and the Mudgate. There are 2 water fountains, one of which
özellikle de yabancı devlet başkanlarının ağırlanmasında özellikle de yabancı devlet başkanlarının ağırlanmasında
on the back slope is a large wooden palace is open all year round to public visits.
Even though we chose the simpler route, it felt deeply immersive. The calm of the water at night, the gentle sway of the boat, and the glow of Istanbul's architectural treasures created a timeless atmosphere. Our tour was only an hour, but definitely worth the experience. This type of Bosphorus tour is perfect if you want to soak in the history and beauty of the city without distraction, and it remains one of the most popular ways for visitors to experience Istanbul after dark.